In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an app icon in Adalo, all in just under 5 minutes. You won't believe how simple this process is, and by the end, you'll have a shiny new icon ready for your app, impressing users from the very first glance. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your web browser and search for Adalo. Type it into your preferred search engine, and it should pop right up in the results. Click on that link to enter the platform's main website so we can get started. Once you're on the Adalo homepage, go ahead and log in. Make sure you're using your correct credentials to access your account. If you're not yet a member, you might need to sign up, but once you're logged in, the fun part begins. Before we proceed, there's a crucial step to ensure a smooth experience. Make sure you have your app icon ready to go. This means having a graphic that is precisely 1024 by 1024 pixels in size. It's important to use a PNG file format as this ensures clarity. Any blurriness may indicate that the image size isn't correct, so double-check those details. If needed, you can use any available editing tool to make adjustments to your icon. Now, with everything ready, look to the left-hand side of your Adalo dashboard. Here, you're going to find a vertical toolbar. See the gear icon? That's the Settings tab. Simply click it to proceed. Once inside the settings, we want to find the section labeled App Icon. It's usually pretty visible right away. Look for a button or link that says Choose Image and click on it. This action directs you to upload your prepared icon. Navigate through your computer's files and find that perfectly crafted 1024 by 1024 PNG icon. Select it, and it will upload to Adalo, representing your app visually as it should. After uploading, don't forget to click the Save button. This is a small yet vital step to ensure all your changes are applied effectively. Nothing worse than missing out on showcasing your stunning icon due to an unsaved change. One last important note to bear in mind. Uploading your icon won't automatically update it on previously published versions of your app. This means you'll need to publish a new version of your app to the Apple App Store or Google Play for the updated icon to appear. So, make sure your app is ready for an update before finalizing this process. And there you have it, a brand new app icon, ready to wow users as soon as you launch your next app update. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!